Hello viewers, my name is Manik Krishna Sogi. I am a digital marketer. In today's video I will tell you about a best keyword Chrome extension with the help of which you can find lots of data regarding your keywords. Guys, I am talking about Ubersuggest Chrome extension which recently launched. Actually guys, the best part of that Chrome extension is that is coming from Ubersuggest site, so we can trust on it. Guys, if we talk about the data providing by that Chrome extension, so because data is also coming from Ubersuggest site and most of the person from us are using Ubersuggest from much of time, so we can trust on the data of it. Guys, if we talk about the stats providing by that Chrome extension, so we can get lots of data regarding any keyword with the help of that Chrome extension. You can get search volume of that keyword, you can get competition of that keyword, you can get CPC of that keyword also. Guys, if we compare that Chrome extension with the another one Chrome extension which we were using in past time, which name is Keywords Everywhere, so you will get lots of another unique features in comparison of the features which we were getting in Keywords Everywhere in that tool. Guys, if we talk about the unique features which we will get in that keyword research tool which name is Ubersuggest Chrome extension, you will get graph trend regarding any keyword, you will get any domain regarding links data and lots of another features also. So guys, I think you should use it and find it what is the best part in that Chrome extension. So guys, in today's video I will describe you how you can download it, how you can use it, and what is the right way to find any keyword with the help of that Chrome extension. So guys, without wasting your time, we will start our today's video. Now viewers, we have come on our computer screen where I will show you how to find any keywords related data like CPC of that keyword, search volume of that keyword and competition of that keyword in free with the help of Ubersuggest Chrome extension. For your usability, I recently searched a keyword which is best way to make money online. You can see here that lots of data is coming here regarding that keyword like monthly searches of that keyword, CPC of that keyword, and you can see in the right side of my screen that lots of other related keywords are also showing and their volume, CPC and SEO difficulty is also showing regarding those keywords. Guys, you can see here another one thing that when I click on suggestions button, then a new tab is opening which is redirecting us on the website of Neil Patel sir, which is Ubersuggest.com, and you can see here that the suggestions keywords are showing here and their volume, CPC, paid difficulty and SEO difficulty is also showing. Guys, if we talk about the another one feature of that keyword extension is actually guys, if you want to find trend data regarding any keyword, then I should click on view all button and you can see here that lots of data have come. You can see on window that trend data is showing in graph form for mobile and desktop purposes. You can see here that 393 people click on SEO results, and here you can see also that which age group people search that keyword. Guys, if we talk about the next one feature of that keyword extension is actually when I search that keyword, then lots of search results came on the screen which related to Forbes.com, economicstimes.com, etc. If I want to find Forbes.com took backlinks from which site, then I should click on only that arrow button and you can see here with the help of that Chrome extension that lots of data have come in which they are showing that Forbes.com website took backlinks from medium.com, scholar.usc.edu, steamate.com and many other websites. Guys, if we want to find more backlinks data regarding that domain, then we should click on next 5 and we will again redirect on Ubersuggest website where you can see that lots of another data is coming regarding that domain. You can see here that lots of data have come. Now guys, similarly if I want to find economictimes.indiatimes.com website took backlinks from which site, then to find backlink regarding data of that website, I should click on this arrow button and you can find that lots of data have come regarding that website. Now I want to clear another one feature of that Chrome extension, which is actually when you scroll the page, then in the last of page you will see that lots of related keywords are showing with their search volumes per month, CPC and SEO difficulty. So that is the another one feature of that Chrome extension. So guys, on the behalf of these all things, I hope you got knowledge about how to do work on Ubersuggest Chrome extension, how to download it, how to use it, and what kind of benefits you can take with the help of that Ubersuggest Chrome extension. So guys, to find that kind of another one informational videos like this, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel, so that whenever I will upload the another one informational video, you will get notification first. Guys, I want to say another one thing, that if you didn't watch my previous videos in which I detail you what is digital marketing, what is the basics of digital marketing, how to do keyword research, how to find your competitors, backlinks, etc. If you didn't watch those videos, then I have given the link of my all videos in I button, so please click on I button and watch my another videos also. So guys, we will meet soon in our next informational video. Till the time, thank you very much.